We're going to get you going on this ornament project. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open up Lightburn and we are going to import the preferences file that I loaded into Schoology for you. So you're going to first go to the assignment, which is laser light or laser ornament project. And there's this preferences file. I'd like you to download that. So put that into your downloads folder or something where you're going to know where to find that. And then you're going to open up Lightburn, and then you're going to go to File, Import Prefs. Apparently I have to have a new file open. That's fine. Import Prefs, and then you're going to go to the downloads, and you're going to open up that ornament prefs file. All that's going to do, just say yes to this. All that's going to do is it's going to set up layers 0, 1, and 2 for your ornament. Now, I'm going to pick a design. Maybe I'm going to do a reindeer, or you can do anything you want. Keep it school appropriate. But I'm going to do this one right here. So really nice. You can just right click and copy the image from the internet. And then you can go over and back to Lightburn and right click and you can paste. We're going to keep our ornament sizes relatively small, just so we don't use too much material and we don't make our trees topple over or wherever you're putting this. So if you highlight the image, you can come up here to where it says width and height. And we're going to try to keep these things about 3 inches by 3 inches as the overall size. So honestly, what I think would be best is if you start by drawing a box. So go to the 0 layer and click on box and draw a box and change the width and the height to 3 by 3. Okay. And I say pick the 0 layer because you'll notice that it says cut, fall out, no tabs. That means that this box is going to cut out your ornament when you're done. I should change that to 3. I think I messed it up. 3 by 3. It keeps changing because the lock is on. I got to turn that lock off and make it a 3 by 3 box. I'm going to go back to my arrow and I'm going to bring my image and I'm going to put it inside the box. And I'm going to shrink it down. I want my ornament to trace the picture and engrave it. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go down to trace. And I'm going to look at the lines that are being traced. I can fade it and I can slide these bars here to change what lines are being traced. And I can kind of adjust it. And if I like it, I can click OK. If you don't like it, I would recommend maybe using a different image. But once I've got it traced, I can move the image away and delete it. I actually don't really like how that, it's not that bad, but you get the idea for the demonstration. I'm going to put whatever I want to engrave on the blue layer. So while it's highlighted, click blue and you'll see that it says engrave. And I'm going to move that using these arrows to the first layer. So see it says first. Now, I want my ornament shape to be maybe an oval or a circle or something. So I'm going to click on the shape of a circle and I'm going to go to my red layer. Red means it's going to cut out. So I'm going to draw it, go back to my pointer, and this is going to be the shape of my ornament, just like that. And I also should have a little hole for my hook. So let's take a look here. My 1, 3, 2 are out of order, so I have to move 1, 2, and 3 so that they're in order. So here's what's going to happen. First, the blue line is going to engrave. Second, the red line is going to cut, but it's going to leave tabs, meaning I'm going to have to pop it out with my fingers. I don't want to have to do that with that hole, so I'm going to make that one fall out. But then when it's all done cutting, this black line right here is going to fall out. So essentially when you're done, I'm going to make this more of an oval. When you're done, you should have 3 colors and your black lines, your black color, is the one that is going to fall out, and it should cut last. You don't want what's going to be engraved to fall out because otherwise it'll be all shaky. But this is essentially what you want to do. Grab a flash drive and click Save UD5 File. Click that, and then you select your USB drive and bring it over to the laser. And that is it. So this is a great quick project that you can create all of your stuff with for the holidays, gifts, simple things, and hang it on your tree. All right, thanks for watching.